Today I'm going to show you in a quick video how to use the Rich Content Editor, or the RCE for short. The Rich Content Editor can be found in your Canvas courses, and it allows you to create and edit your Canvas content. It consists of three main areas: a menu, a toolbar, and the content editor. Notice the differences in these three sections. The menu allows you to do things like change the view, insert a link, an image, media, or a document, or change the format of the font. You can also link external tools like Canvas Studio or insert tables. The toolbar allows you to do similar things and functions a lot simpler than the menu. Notice that you can change the font size here on the left. You can add headings, add characteristics to your font like bold, italics, or underlining. You can even change the font colors or highlight. Once again, you can use the chain link to create external and course links within the content area. Notice the differences in size between the heading and font size. The Rich Content Editor can be found anywhere you create content in Canvas. If you're looking for it, look for a blue button with a plus, and it's likely that the Rich Content Editor will appear in that area. Thank you for watching this quick video. Reach out to the Academic Technology team if you have any further questions or concerns.